Welcome back, guys. Last week you would have seen us make an easy milk kefir. This week, kefir again, but make it coconut. If you're not familiar with kefir, basically it's a really probiotic rich drink that you can base on milk or water. Maintaining kefir can be a little bit of a challenge, especially if you're time poor. So using the cutting edge culture's Easy Kefir Starter makes it really accessible. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your equipment is sterilized. So that's your yogurt jar and a whisk. And if you don't know how to do that, then check out the blog for some simple instructions. Next, I've got 1.5 liters of organic coconut milk with no additives. That's really important. I'm gonna pour that straight into the yogurt jar. Once you've poured the coconut milk into the yogurt jar, you can add 1 sachet of the Cutting Edge Culture's Easy Kefir Starter, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. This helps the bacteria to multiply, and this process will break down the sugar over time. Give it a whisk to combine, and then replace the lid. Place the jar into the base of the yogurt maker and fill up the water bath up to the tall line indicator. Put the cover on the yogurt maker and punch in the settings. Set the temperature to 25 degrees and the time to 24 hours and hit confirm. So after 24 hours, the yogurt maker has done its job, and all I need to do now is place this into the fridge to chill for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better. Once the kefir has chilled, it's ready to drink. You may notice a little bit of separation, and that is completely normal. Just give it a whisk to create a uniform texture. It's got a really nice sweetness about it that comes from that coconut milk. It's a little different to the full cream milk version, so if you weren't so much a fan of that, you may actually really enjoy this one. It's very smooth and it has a light tang to it, very easy to drink. So there we have our coconut kefir recipe made in the Pure Plus yogurt maker with the Cutting Edge Culture's Easy Kefir Starter. If you want to get your hands on this product, then you can buy it on our website. See the link below and let us know how you go if you make it yourself at home in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back really soon with another great recipe.